Hello friends, welcome to a new video. So today guys, Nifty have given a gap up in the start and it hit the resistance and there was a fall. So the resistance was at a very particular level which was the support of the rising channel which we were discussing in the last video. Let me go to hourly chart. Here you can see in the last video we were thinking that there can be a possible move that Nifty will go slightly upwards, okay, will resume its journey, take resistance in the area of 18300 to 18325 level, which is nothing but this channel rising support line. Okay, this is the support line. Here you can see on the backward chart there is a support there. Now I was expecting that market might take this resistance and also hold 18200 level in today's expiry, because in expiry most of the time they try to go in a sideways manner. Market try to behave in a sideways manner. So this gap fill level which we were expecting personally, okay, today, but on the surprise the selling was quite high on the backdrop of Dow and DEX. If you see their future chart, Dow future, DEX future, they were very strong when Nifty was falling. So it was quite surprising that in a strong backdrop where we see Dow as well on Wednesday, okay, on Wednesday's trading session, Dow have performed very well. It is trying to take support. On that backdrop, Nifty was going down. So now, or for Friday, we will have a bearish bias, and for Friday, now the gap level again opens, which is 18070. If market goes below this level, then first level will next it will try to hold at 18040, then 180 18k basically. Now if we see these level are very close, and it might happen that the recovery in the Dow which we have seen might again vanish, and we will see Nifty again giving a gap up or gap down opening. Now in this case which we are talking here is mostly there will be gap down opening. So in that scenario, there will be a opening near about gap level as well. So one can expect market will try, if there is any negative news on the foreign market, market will try to open at gap level. Okay. So in that condition, what you can do is, if market open at gap level, which is 18070, then you should wait for 18k, because RR will become very favorable if you try to take trade below 18k. So when market hit 17980, okay, 17980, then you can take a shot at that time by keeping 25 to 30 point SL. That's it. You can ride till 900, okay, 17900 and 17850 level. Okay, this two level then will open up whenever market will go below 18,000 in the next trading session or in the coming week as well. There will be possibility that it try to hold at 18k, but seeing that on a strong backdrop we were going down, so there can be a scenario that market directly open at the gap level 18070, and then you wait for 18k to be taken out and play for 17900 and 850. What if we get again a gap up opening similarly like today's session, then you should wait. You just wait for today's low, okay, near about 18100 level. If we get a gap up opening, wait for 18100 level to be taken out. Then whenever market goes below that, then definitely this gap will get filled, and then even lower, market will try to go even lower from that level, because there was a gap up. All those who want to buy, their order will get filled, and then again when the selling pressure resume, it will form simply a low lower high, and that momentum will simply cross the gap level support. So plan is simple. We will try to take a positioning on the short side. If there is a gap up, one should wait for today's low to be taken out. Okay, and any long position if you want to take, I would say one should avoid, and one should now look taking long position above 18350 level. Okay, you want to take long position, then wait till market reaches 18,350, then we will think of that. If I see bank nifty, which is quite strong, bank nifty is very strong, and we can say bank nifty is still holding its strength. Again, it went till 44,000. Bank nifty was holding very well. It has given fall in the last, 1.5 hour of market. Till then it was holding very well. So for bank nifty, I would say wait for one day, wait for a day, skip bank nifty for Friday, because there is clear weakness in Nifty, but Bank Nifty is somehow managing to hold right now. So there was good fall in auto, good fall in IT, there was good fall in mid cap share. Broader market, we can see there was a good fall, but somehow Bank Nifty is holding. Still, if someone wants to play a short side trade, then wait for 43,400 level. Okay, whenever market goes below this level 43,400, then try to take a position at that point. Target you can expect 43k and 42,800. Okay, these level one can expect if we see those level. Higher side, we know all time high level is key important level 44,250, and I would say you can just pause in bank nifty. Quite, there is a lot of choppiness right now there. If we see Dow, as I was talking there, as I was talking when we were discussing about Nifty, Dow have given a good recovery. Let me show you the hourly chart, and here you can see there was a good recovery in the Wednesday's trading session. But let us see how the market pans out. Why I am having a negative bias? Because in today's market performance, it is giving a very weak signal, and the screens is also weak. So we will expect some downside movement, and for Dow as well, it is still in a sideways manner. So we can go with our bias, and we will see what all opportunity we can get from for the downside. Now let us see crude. If we see crude is again in a taking support in a sideways manner, and we can avoid this. Not, we can't get too many signals from there now. It's more of a neutral scenario. So for next trading session, we have IRCTC and Oro Pharma. Now, if you remember yesterday, we were talking two counters. One was Jubilant Food. We were expecting if it goes above 85 level, okay, then we would take SL of 5 points, and then one can think of taking trade 585 level. But it opened below that, so there was no trade set up in that. But one IT counter which we were discussing, persistent system, again in that case, our long side. Why I was thinking long side yesterday? Because there can be recovery till the channel support. In fact, that did happen, but it happened at the start of a market. So there was a SL hit in that case. Now IRCTC and Oro Pharma, we are looking here. IRCTC, if you look the chart, there is good upside movement. There was this consolidation. Now on a daily chart, you can see this consolidation, but if you see the hourly chart, this is nothing but a cup and handle continuation pattern. See this. If I go to hourly chart, you can see a cup formation, a handle formation, and its breakout at these level. Okay, at 615 level. Now let me go back to hourly chart, and here we can see a kind of a flag breakout as well, a continuation pattern, but it didn't mature. We now can see a breakdown in this, but it is too early to say. Now guys, why I'm saying it is too early to say? Because we are not getting volume support here. See this, I am teaching you this. Here you can see whenever there was a good up move or good down move, we need some volume support. So that's why I'm saying here the chances of reversal in this uptrend is right now high, but it will be confirmed with the high volume bar only. So what we can do is we can wait for 610 level. When it reaches 6110 level, one can think of going short with the 600 and 590 level. And next counter which we will look is again a good counter in a very good trend. Okay, now this counter irct is in a weak is on a larger degree weak trend. Okay, and we are catching this smaller time frame. Okay, in a smaller structure we are catching this up move, and we are then trying to go a short in this kind of setup. But in the next counter, which is oro pharma, now this is very strong. If you see, oro pharma is very strong. Again, its larger time frame is more of a sideways now. But right now we can look at this chart as a breakout failure. Here we can see there was a flag pattern forming up with such a good trend, and this breakout getting failed. Okay, so in next trading session what we can do is wait for 595 level to clear out, then you can get a small sl near about 601 kind of a level, and you can expect 580 and 575 in this particular counter. If you want, you can also keep this 585, okay, as a safe level. RR is good here if we go below 595. So these two counter you can watch for. Now in this as well, we are getting selling on a low volume, so this is quite early. We will see how the market goes, as we are having negative bias toward the market. So we have chosen this to short side trade. So guys, this is it for the video. I hope if you are liking our content, do hit the like button. If you're new to our channel, then do hit the subscribe button. Till then, take care. I will meet you in our next episode.